Hi there, this is Felix Mariano for Frantic TV. And before we start the show, we want to thank our sponsor of the channel, Segway e-bikes. Just to give you a little bit of background, I've been doing YouTube seriously for about 3 years. The channel has been here before, but I was working. So this was basically like a hobby. 2 years ago, I became a full-time content creator here. And I created Frantic TV. It used to be a clothing line and it transitioned into a TV network where you create content because of my experience with other companies. So people will probably say, okay, but show me your numbers. Well, I transformed within the 2 years basically where I really went full time. A channel that only had like 500 subscribers to today, which we hit 30,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy that we hit that milestone within 2 years. So it's I feel very happy that it became successful. All right, so the new show that I came up with is called The Producer. And basically, this is something that I want to create for my fellow content creators, the people that I know, the people that used to work for me, the people that used to collaborate, the people that are still collaborating, the people that know me but they have their own thing going on. This show is for you. I'm going to spill the beans and I'm going to tell all my secrets in this show. It's not going to be everything today, but it's a show. So every episode, I'm going to talk about something specific on how I run a TV network, Frantic TV, with multiple shows and dealing with multiple content creators. So instead for me to go right away to the equipment, I think this is something that I'm going to leave for the next episode. Because to be honest, when I started YouTube, I did everything that I do today, I did it with my iPhone. So, and I can show you some of the videos that I did. It was not perfect, but it was my training ground to move from corporate America into just creating a small business and growing this thing in this industry. Very, very exciting industry. The electric community is something that I feel passionate, coming from riding road bikes and mountain bike. And then going into electric, it was something that it was like, oh man, that was the perfect fit for me. So what I want to focus on the first episode is something that I see missing, oh my gosh, so many times. And even people that have a lot of followers, but you need to know the principles before you can cheat and you can do things like, because at the end of the day, once you get those massive followers, I mean, sometimes you can do whatever you want and you're going to get views. But if you want to make something that has legacy and something that's going to mean something, even when you die, this is the way you do it. You need to have the core principles of making content and telling a story. And talking about stories, that's what's going to be our first episode. Storytelling. Okay, let's say we were invited to a group ride. The thing that you need to really think about is, and this is something that a lot of young YouTubers, they do, and even old ones, you start the video just riding. Oh my God, that is so frustrating for somebody like me. And you have no idea where you are, what kind of group ride it is, what kind of bike are you riding, and then you hear the content creator talking to people, muffling and you like, where I am. So that's the first thing that you need to have. You need to have a structure where you have a beginning, a middle, and the end. And I'm going to show you how to do that. When you turn that camera on, unless you do a video that's going to be just music, like a relaxing video where you just like put some nice music and you just show yourself riding, that's a different video. That's okay. I have done that before. And we can also circle back in a different episode and I can show you how to do a relaxing video that people just like use to go to sleep or just use to relax. We're going to talk about group rides. And I'm gonna open up one of my videos that I did in the past, it was basically the first group ride that I attended, and I'm gonna show you what I did, so you can understand about the whole process of storytelling. And I'm gonna put the links, all the videos that I'm referring in this video. So what I created here was a little tease of what was coming in the video. Basically, I went from black and white, just getting an introduction to how big and how massive this video is going to be. So basically, you have the name, Felix Mariano. And then you have this where you go into black and white into color. So now you can see, wow, we are going to be talking about inside e-bike group ride. So we're going to get a lot of information on the beginning of that experience. So from here, we jump into my house. Starting from the beginning, my preparation, I go into my car. I started talking about how nervous I was to do my first group ride. And I gotta tell you, I feel like the first day in school, back in high school. You're so excited. It's the first day. You try to meet new people. You try to figure out things. This is my first time going on a group ride, and I'm really looking forward to this. I think we were gonna go to New Jersey, and it's something that it brings the audience in. You're not guessing what you're trying to do for this video. You're telling them what is going on, how you feel, what is happening, who you're meeting with. One of the things that I wanted to convey in the video was the adrenaline that I had, like just the minute before, showing everybody the whole group. You building that story slowly, and then you add some music, some suspense music. Alright, so we're here in Bayonne, New Jersey for our first group ride. Intense music, the Avengers. Make the signal to go to the left. You have to safety first, always. And then boom. Here's the group. And guys, this is only happening. This is happening at the beginning before the ride starts. And we're already at the 3-minute mark. So now you have an idea of what's going on. First of all, this is my first group ride. I'm riding a Seron. I show you me carrying the Seron in my car. I'm traveling to New Jersey to meet with people that I don't know. So this is what you're trying to tell the audience, going into the unknown. If you don't talk about this at the beginning and set it up, people don't know if this is your first group ride. People don't know where you're going or what this is about. So after I get there, then I started to meeting people, and basically this is where I met most of the people in New York, in New Jersey. You guys have a shop, right?
Yeah, and Mallory.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you, brother. How are you?
I've been following you and the guys in the group.
Man.
I started saying hello. I introduced myself, so I gave the audience my experience. Now I'm gonna show you the ride. And there's two ways of doing this. One way would be for you to talk the whole time and just say, okay, we are going through this street, we are doing this, we're doing that. And me personally, I like to add music because it becomes tiresome for you. I already gave you my talking points, my feelings, and where I was gonna go. So now I want you guys to ride a little bit with me. Just feel that you're free and that you're just riding along, just taking in those scenic views and all that stuff. So this is what I do. Another thing that you can do is try to talk to somebody else that this is their first time riding. We call that popping the cherry.
All right, hey, I just want to say, introduce you to Ruthie. Ruth?
Yes.
Ruth, first time, right?
First time.
Oh, wow, gotta love it, popping cherry. Kaboom!
So I encourage all my content creators to do that. Like try to talk to people, because everybody has a story. Everybody has something to tell about how they got into e-bikes and how they feel about it. So in the middle, that's a good thing to do, the riding. And when you go into that break, try to talk to people and get the feeling and the vibes and all that stuff. You can network, you can ask questions, you can talk about maintenance of the bikes, you can talk about food, you can talk about anything, but you have to bring your audience into the whole story, the whole experience, from being nervous, meeting new people, asking questions, and then you go back to writing. So we're gonna close this with a bow. Once we got the experience, the networking, and your audience already are invested into this whole thing, then there's a point in every group ride where you make it to the final destination. Please don't end the video on a cliffhanger unless that video is part 1 of part 2. At the end, you have to talk to your audience. You have to let them know how you felt.
Yeah, all right, we're gonna wrap day 2 up here in the Smoky Mountains. It's been a really good day. We're glad you're hanging out with us here. Like and subscribe, okay? Thanks for coming and checking us out.
So one, you gave the audience a beginning, a middle, and the end. Everything makes sense, and now your audience is going to end up saying, man, I want to know how the next group ride is going to be. I want to get to know more about this industry. You're going to make people want more, and that's why it is very paramount for you to create that storytelling. If you want to build legacy where people can go back and see your video and they're not going to be lost, they're going to have a story, they're going to have information, that's what you want. And then eventually it's going to become natural for you to just like not miss the things that you need to do when you're recording the video, because you already have that storytelling format in your head, and you can convey that to the people that you're working with. Oh, make sure you talk to people, make sure you record this and that, and that's gonna make for a really good and entertainment video. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Again, thanks to my sponsor Segway e-bikes, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.
Yo, look at the Harley.
It's not a Harley, it's an electric bike. It's a Segway.
What?
An electric bike, it's a Segway, it says.
What is it?